Lola, come here. Adri, ayan. Si Lola Ami at saka si Adri eating the McDonald's. Eh, may pa-ice cream pa siya, oh. Na, see? Eat more, ha? Wow, okay naman, may toys pa siya, oh. Wow, ito lang naman ang inaano niya, yung kanyang McDonald's, oh. Na, see? Wow. Very nice. Very yummy. May ice cream pa. Hinawakan ko muna yung ice cream. At kami ay nag-order ng aming pizza. Orders. See? Yeah. What is this? Yummy? Wow. Kanyang nuggets. No. Eat first after play. Eat more. Until after that, I'm going to play again. Yan si Lola Ami ang nag-aalaga kay Adri Putput. Oh.